Hi everyone, happy Monday. I'm Matt Johnson and welcome to Beer and Watches. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to do this with a can. You simply take the beer can and you balance it at a 45-degree angle and then it just stays there. A great party trick that you can use to fool your friends. Now time's are ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hi everyone, welcome to Beer and Watches. I hope you're all having a great day and I hope you all had a great weekend. Check this out. We take the can and we just balance it right, wait for it, there. Look at that. How's that for a party trick? Pretty crazy, right? So how's it done? Well, we're going to turn the camera around and I'm going to teach you the secret to this little party trick so that you can impress your friends. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is, the balancing beer can, but how does it work? It's not glued down, it's not stuck down. You simply take the beer can and you balance it at a 45-degree angle and then it just stays there. What a great party trick. So here's how it works. First of all, this can is not empty. In the bottom of the can here is about this much beer. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either pour your beer out and empty the beer completely, or if you're at a party, indeed, what you could do is take an empty beer can and just pour some water in there. So you're either going to pour water in there, about an inch of water, or you're going to pour your beer and then leave about an inch of beer in the bottom so nobody knows. Now what happens is, on the bottom of the can here is this double lip. Now, if you try and balance this can on that double lip with nothing inside the can, it's just going to continually fall over. There's no way that anybody could balance it. But by leaving about an inch of liquid in there, when you turn the can at a 45-degree angle, the liquid goes in this line here. So essentially what it does is causes a weight at the bottom of the can. So by balancing it on its two edges and having that weight of liquid in the bottom of the can, it allows you quite easily to let go of the can and have it balance and stay, which is really cool. Now, I have seen people online that do this and they balance it on the edge of their glass. Now, I unfortunately have not managed to do this yet. Apparently, it takes a long time to get it just right. Again, it's very difficult. If any of my subscribers or viewers out there manage to do it, please do let me know. However, if you go on Google and or YouTube and type in balance a beer can on the edge of a glass, you'll see lots of people that have done this successfully. If you want to do a very simple version of this, as I say, leave some liquid in there and then you can just put it on the table and leave it, and it kind of looks really weird and funky and cool. So there it is, guys, a little party trick with your next beer and glass. So there you go, totally fun little party trick with your beer that you can do anywhere to impress your friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for dropping by again, guys. Have a great Monday. We'll see you again on Wednesday for more beer and watch reviews. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button over there to the right of the screen and click on the bell button up there to the right of the search bar. Finally, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. The thumbs up help me, guys, and it means a lot. And also leave your comments in the comments section below. It's always a real pleasure hanging out with you guys. We'll see you again on Wednesday. Before you go, don't forget to click on this video right here and the guy with the beard right here. Cheers, guys, and bye for now.